Did you know ignoring just a few dispute emails can get your funds frozen? For many business owners, that's how account holds start. Here's a quick way to stay on top of disputes. In Gmail, search the word dispute and set up a filter so those emails get labeled or flagged. That way, they don't get lost in your inbox. It is a simple step that can help you respond faster, but it still depends on you being glued to your email. Miss just a couple and your account could be at risk. That's why business owners choose Easy Pay Direct. Their chargeback mitigation system gives you early alerts so you can resolve issues before they turn into chargebacks. Plus, with recurring billing, your clients' subscriptions run smoothly without being disrupted by account holds. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get white glove service, a dedicated point of contact anytime you need support. If you want to avoid account holds by managing disputes early, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Just head to their quick sign up form, the links in the description to get started.